Hey guys, I'm Joel Gamoran, National Chef for Sur La Table, and I've got a really cool tip for you. If you've ever had a dessert and you want to put whipped cream on it and make it look all fancy schmancy, just grab a plastic bag, put it inside a little can like this, right? That helps it open up. I love homemade whipped cream. I don't think anything tastes like it. All right, so this just kind of goes in here. You can see it makes it so much easier. Check that out, right? Then you're gonna kind of force it all to one side, and I'm gonna take the clean side and I'm gonna cut this. So check this out. And then I'm gonna cut little strips. And this is gonna kind of emulate that really cute piping bag look. I'm gonna bring all that to the end here, and then right over the top of a pastry or some cake, look at this. Kind of gives you that beautiful effect. And for more tips, tricks, and hacks, head to surlatable.com/scraps right now.